Today we are making oat milk, white chocolate, dirt cake. Yes, I said it, honey, dirt cake. The kind you get at those 5-star fancy restaurants. Hey, what's up you guys? It's Sophia and welcome to my channel called Cheeky Sassy Me. Not just any dirt. Check out the new apron. New for the fall season. If you like fun and foodie videos, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell. The things you need are mint and gummy worms, disposable cup, butter and cream cheese, white chocolate pudding mix, two kinds of sugar, powdered and regular, whipped cream, oat milk, and Oreos. There are 25 flavors of Oreos out there. You know, this reminds me of a movie.
Shrimp is the fruit of the sea. You can barbecue it, boil it, broil it.
Lemon, carrot cake, peanut butter, white fudge, red velvet, mint, berry, birthday cake, cinnamon apple, coconut, fudge dipped,
Deep fried, stir fried. There's pineapple shrimp.
spring oil, is that really a flavor?
Lemon shrimp, coconut shrimp, pepper shrimp, shrimp.
What else?
Mega stuff! Mystery. Hot and spicy. They have that? They have that flavor? Gingerbread, I love gingerbread. Java chip. Oh no, that is chocolate marshmallow and coconut and caramel coconut. Boy, these are a lot of names. I don't think I can name them all. These cookies need a crumble. There are a lot of flavors, but how do you like to eat your Oreos? How you eat them says a lot about a person. Are you ready to check out your Oreo cookie reading? Are you a dunker? Then you're a thrill seeker. Now we're going to set our Oreos aside. Now we're going to combine our oat milk and our 2 packets of white chocolate pudding. A bag fell in the bowl. Now we're going to add in the milk. Mix it up for 2 minutes. In 1 cup of our 2 different sugars, powdered and granulated. Now I'm gonna put in our butter and cream cheese to our bowl and mix it up. Time to mix it up. Guys, do not forget to melt the butter. Forgot about the butter. This feels like pigeon poop on my face. Like birds like a dump on my face. Well, I can't melt the butter now. We are just gonna have to power through. I think we need a commercial break. Time for another Oreo cookie eating reading. Are you a twister? Then we're an artiste. Last thing we're gonna add in is our whipped cream.
Run.
Our pudding is finally done. Now it's time to assemble our dirt cake. I got these cute little disposable cups at the start, but you can use flower pots to serve them in. It's up to you. My first layer is Oreo. And then some parts are not blended, so I'm just mashing them up. Now our next layer is going to be dirt pudding. Hey, have you discovered your Oreo cookie eating reading? Are you a breaker? Then get easy going. Here you have it. Our final product will look like this when you're done. Did you like my video? If you like fun foodie videos, make sure to subscribe, comment, hit that bell.